Every day in factories and plants worldwide, electrical control panels and cabinets overheat. Rising ambient temperatures, dust, and humidity cause electronics to fail prematurely. The result? Shutdowns, damaged equipment, and lost production time. One overheated panel can bring your entire operation to a standstill. There's a better way. Streamtek cabinet coolers. Using Vortex Tube technology and only compressed air, generating air up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. No moving parts, no electricity, no refrigerants. Installs in minutes through a standard electrical knockout. Creates positive pressure to block dust and moisture while maintaining NEMA-rateds. Maintenance-free, reliable, and energy efficient. Prevents failures, extends equipment life, reduces downtime. Works flawlessly in harsh industrial environments. Don't let heat cost you money and productivity. Choose Streamtek cabinet coolers. Visit stream-tek.com for sizing help and fast shipping. Keep your panels cool, stay in control.